typo. I'm not sure if you're supposed to show all of your steps. So I'll go through all the steps with you here for this one. So the whole idea is that we want to get this denominator, because it's got T1 in it, we want to get it over on the other side. So we want this to be on this side. And then on the other side, we might as well bring this R2 over and divide it at the same time just to save a step, okay? So we'll have this. Why did I do that? Oh, hang on. I forgot the R1. Okay, there we go. That's better. And then I'm just going to bring the R2 over and divide it, okay? And so as we chip away at the T1, let's keep the alpha T1 minus 20 degrees on this side. And then we've got this R1 over R2. And I won't rewrite that whole big bracket. It's just all of this that you have to put in there again. I'm just going to bring this 1 over and minus it from that whole thing. And then the same thing, I can bring alpha, this alpha guy here, I can bring him from this side over to this side just by multiplying him in the denominator, because it's going to be divided on this side when it was multiplied on the left side. So then he won't be there anymore. Okay, so now what I've got is T1, that's what I want on its own here. And I'm going to have to take the minus 20 degrees, bring it over to the other side and add it. So if I rewrite what I've got on the bottom here, R2 times alpha, the whole thing in the bracket, minus 1, then from that whole thing, I need to bring that 20 over and add it to that. So that would put T1 by itself. And again, this bracket here has to go in here and in here. And then you've got T1 by itself. And I think that's what you need. Unless, oh, that's 20 degrees, sorry. Unless you can do something with that 20 degrees. I'm not sure if you can do that or not. Probably not, because this is a temperature, right? So it's going to give you a value here that you're going to add to 20 degrees to get your temperature at the end. So that's what you want, if that makes any sense. I hope that helps.